Today we are headed to the Mote Science Education Aquarium. This aquarium is located in Sarasota, Florida, and it sounds like they have manatees, fish, sharks, penguins, otters, and probably more. This aquarium has multiple floors, and I believe they recommended that we start on the top floor, which we did. So we went up the escalator and found the outside area, which had manatees, otters, and a tortoise. But first, we stopped at the bathroom and looked at this cute artwork on the wall. They had 2 rescued manatees at the time that we were there. Their underwater viewing was very nice. The water was so clear, you could get so close to them. Something unique about this aquarium is that you can watch training sessions with the manatees. If I remember correctly, I think the manatees were coming to a target, so they would station right in front of their keepers, and then the keepers would feed them. In addition to manatees, you can also see North American river otters, which, like manatees, are native to Florida. And here is the cute gopher tortoise. The gopher tortoise is native to Florida, unlike these Humboldt penguins. These guys live in Peru and Chile. We watch them swim around, eat their food, and interact with their keepers. Next, it was time to go look at some sharks, rays, and fish. They are home to sand tiger sharks, sandbar sharks, nurse sharks, black tip reef sharks, bonnethead sharks, bamboo sharks, coral cat sharks, epaulet sharks, and zebra sharks. If any of that is incorrect, then just blame Google. Mote Marine Lab is involved in coral conservation. They raise coral in nurseries and they do research on them, and they also plant them out in the ocean to help with their restoration. Something that I was amazed by was how clear the water was in all of the aquariums. Next, it was time to eat some lunch. We went to the cafe and got some pizza. We did not get this manatee cupcake.
So what do you think?
It's okay.
Is there any sauce?
Yeah, I mean, it's good. I like it.
After eating our lunch, we continued our journey through the aquarium by finding different animals like this horseshoe crab, seahorses, a Florida Keys aquarium, more sharks, more rays, and more fish. We really enjoyed our time at the Mote Science Education Aquarium. And now we're going to go see more manatees at the Bishop Museum of Science and Nature. The Bishop Museum also houses rescued manatees. On this day, they had 2 rescued manatees. They also have an underwater viewing area where you can watch the manatees munching away at their lettuce. You can also get face-to-face with them and take some really cool photos and video. They do have signs that tell you the stories of these manatees. You can get to know their names and what happened to them and the reason why they are in a rescue facility. I believe, I could be wrong about this, but I believe the names of these manatees were Mandalore and Kyber, I want to say. And I think that they were already released. In this video, I was trying to see if the manatee was interested in my little stuffed manatee. Maybe so, but taking a breath took priority. In addition to underwater viewing, they also have an overwater viewing where you can look down into the pool. It's hard to have a bad day when you're spending your day around manatees, am I right? We had a great day at both of these aquariums, and we look forward to when we can go back someday.
All the Washington.
In the next video, we celebrate Makani's birthday at SeaWorld San Diego and go to the safari park. See you then!